The best robot vacuums balance sharp design with unrivaled cleaning performance. We've called in and tested dozens of models to find those that deliver the strongest debris pickup and smart features. Each robot is evaluated using a scoring system as it makes its way through a series of cleaning tests in our labs. Our overall winner is the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. It's not only fast, but puts up impressive cleaning scores across the board, particularly in pet hair. Plus, it works together with compatible Roomba robot mops, so you can make your floor shine with finishing touches. At $10.99, however, the Roomba S9 Plus isn't for everybody. Our best budget pick, which is also the best for pet hair, is the $159 ILIFE V3S Pro, which cleans like a champ without breaking the bank. Our guide features other high-scoring robot vacuums across a wide range of prices and uses. Read on to learn more about all of the models we tested. Number 7. Samsung JetBot AI Plus. The Samsung JetBot AI Plus is packed full of features to say the least, and it's one of the most attractive robot vacuums to grace my floors. This intelligent and gentle cleaner almost acts as a security camera as much as a robot vacuum cleaner. It can patrol your home while you're away and live stream what it can see straight to your phone. It can also recognize objects, although the accuracy of this varied for me. It identified the iRobot Brava Jet 6 robot mop as a cup/plate and thought a stray dog toy was a sock/towel. It can also offer alternative cleaning patterns, so you can choose the route you want it to take. It is tall as robot vacuums go at 4.75 inches. It could just reach under my kitchen baseboards, but failed to get under the dishwasher, which the majority of others' models could clear. It's quick to map out the home and easy to create no-go zones or select specific rooms to clean. This model also comes with a self-emptying base, which makes it low maintenance, but it is just as noisy as other vacuums when it empties. In terms of cleaning, it's very careful to navigate its way around furniture, but the overall pickup could be better, particularly on pet hair, 78.5%. Having said that, it was great for collecting cereal, with an overall score of 99.6%. It's not a cheap investment, but this robot vacuum is good looking, and I can't complain about the range of features. To potentially make that investment a little bit cheaper, be sure to check out our Samsung promo codes to see if you can save yourself some money. Number 6. Wyze Robot Vacuum. This robot vacuum cleaner from Wyze makes the list because of its exceptional performance on hard floors. When I put it to the test, it picked up 100% of pet fur and cereal. It just missed a perfect score, as it collected roughly 97% of kitty litter. It's speedy as well, mapping the first floor of my home in a near record of 7 minutes, thanks to the quick mapping option. On top of this, the Wyze app is easy to navigate and intuitive to use. It also comes with useful features, such as a location-based trigger, which I've only seen on iRobot Roombas. It needed my address to use this function, which I wasn't crazy about, but I could extend the size of the boundary that encompassed my home, which had its benefits. For instance, I could make sure the robot wouldn't run when I walked the dog, but would when I was a sufficient distance away. The Roomba i3 always started cleaning when I walked the dog by comparison. In my opinion, the Wyze Robot Vacuum is a much more advanced option than the Eufy G30 Edge, which comes at a similar price. This is because you get room division as well as no-go zone options. Number 5. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. iRobot's newest offering, the Roomba J7 Plus, is one of the best Roombas because of its obstacle avoidance technology. With this, it can essentially detect everyday objects such as cables and socks and steer clear of them. The main benefit of this feature is the bot's ability to avoid pet poop. In fact, iRobot is so confident in the Roomba J7 Plus's intelligence that it's introduced the Pet Owner Official Promise (POP), whereby iRobot will replace any J7 Plus that fails to avoid solid pet waste. This robot vacuum is constantly learning with every run too, making it one of the smartest I've seen. I dropped some fake dog poop in its path on test, and it didn't disappoint. Although it didn't recognize larger objects, such as socks, shoes, and dog toys at first, it should do this with time and software updates. The J7 Plus comes with a cleaning base, which is hard to fault. It can hold up to 60 days of debris and looks easy on the eye compared to other bases, plus it's more compact too. This robot vacuum scored well for collecting large debris, such as cereal and kitty litter, collecting 98.33% and 94.6% respectively. I've seen better performances on pet hair, but the score was still a respectable 82.5%. Ultimately, this is a great investment if your pets are prone to accidents and you want to avoid further mess. Keep in mind that it's a little forceful prior to mapping though. It even knocked one of the weights which secures the walls out of place during our debris tests. Our iRobot coupon codes can help you save on a range of top-notch cleaning devices. Use our codes to get discounts on iRobot's robotic vacuums and mops. Upgrade your cleaning routine with iRobot and enjoy our exclusive savings. Number 4. Shark IQ. You can simply set and forget the Shark IQ robot vacuum for over a month thanks to its advanced scheduling capabilities and self-emptying dustbin. The easy-to-use Shark app makes automating the robot vacuum painless and relays any issues the bot runs into. For the most part, the robot goes out on its own and deposits up to 45 days worth of debris into its bagless docking station. It's super convenient not to have to dump out contents after every run, especially if you're upgrading from a typical onboard dustbin. The Shark IQ excelled at all of our tests, even picking up kitty litter on the carpet, which other models, like our previous pick for this category, the Roomba i3 Plus, scored low marks in. I was particularly impressed by the effectiveness of its row cleaning pattern. It thoroughly picked up fur and debris even if it blew or knocked them to the sides on an initial pass-through. At 3.5 inches tall, it's an average height, but it may struggle under low-reaching furniture. For instance, it reached the gaps under my kitchen cabinets with ease, but couldn't clear the couch. The Shark IQ can be controlled via an app as well as with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can create a schedule and connect it to smart home devices. It even has mapping features of more expensive robot vacuums, so you can mark individual rooms as well as set invisible boundaries called no-go zones. This is a high-performance option if you want a self-emptying charging base, but without paying top dollar. Enjoy a cleaner home at a lower cost with our Shark promo codes. Use our coupon codes to get the best deals and upgrade your cleaning routine for less. Number 3. Roborock S9 MaxV Ultra. The S9 MaxV Ultra comes with an all-singing, all-dancing charging base, which has a whopping footprint of 16, multiplied by 19 inches. So it's safe to say you need some space if you want to invest in this combination robot vacuum and mop cleaning powerhouse. The hefty charging base isn't just for show though, it comes with the expected self-emptying capabilities. It can hold up to 7 weeks worth of dust. Plus it contains 2 water tanks, one each for clean and dirty water. With this setup, it can wash its own mop cloth when necessary, which is quite a useful and rare feature. A small bristle brush will scrub the cloth once the robot docks and fresh water is applied while the dirty water is extracted. This is an ideal function if you hate the task of removing and washing the cloth after each cleaning session, like with the Roomba J9 Plus combo. With an overall cleaning score of 91.26, this robot vacuum should not be overlooked. It achieved an almost perfect score when set to the task of picking up Cheerios and performed well when collecting kitty litter, 95.73 on average. The S9 is smart enough to know when it's on a rug and can lift its mopping pad so that your carpet doesn't get soaked. It's gentle in operation too, slowing itself down as it approaches obstacles. However, its streak suffered when it came to collecting dog hair from my carpet. It picked up just 58%. That's the lowest score I've seen compared with similar models. The Roomba J7 Plus is the closest at 72.5%, but even that's a sizable gap. That being said, the Roborock S9 MaxV Ultra offers a quality performance otherwise, and the technology is very impressive. Although its AI object recognition actively avoids most obstacles, it failed to recognize fake pet poop on the test and mistook it for fabric instead. Nevertheless, the robot vacuum would suit households without pets who value convenience above all and don't mind splurging for it. Number 2. ILIFE V3S Pro. The ILIFE V3S Pro is the best robot vacuum you can get for less than $200. Despite its low price, the V3S Pro consistently outperformed other robot vacuums that cost 3 times as much. It picked up nearly all of Fido's fur in our lab tests, making it the best robot vacuum for pet hair, and it performed well in everyday home usage. It reached well up against the baseboards, picking up flaky bits of onion skin in my kitchen, and it collected all breadcrumbs in its path. It was about average in terms of noise compared to the other robot vacuums on test though, at 64.1 decibels. There are a few caveats when purchasing a robot vacuum this cheap. For starters, the ILIFE V3S Pro is slow, taking more than 90 minutes on average to clean a 5x5 foot test space. Others took less than 30 minutes. Also, it can't be controlled from your smartphone, so you have to use the included remote control, and you can't connect it to Alexa or Google Assistant to turn it on or schedule cleanings. But if these are first-world problems you can live with, then you'll be pleased to know the V3S Pro is great at doing the one thing it needs to do well, and that's picking up debris. For this price, its downsides are trade-offs I'm willing to make. That's why it's also one of the best cheap robot vacuums. Number 1. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. iRobot's Roomba S9 Plus is one of the smartest and most thorough robot vacuums I've tested, which is why it's the best robot vacuum overall. It has advanced mapping, so it can record and remember a blueprint of multiple floors of your house after just a few trips. You can then label individual rooms and tell the S9 Plus to clean specific rooms on specific days. I suggest scheduling it for when you're out of the house, as this is admittedly a noisy robot vacuum, particularly on hardwood floors. I struggled to have conversations as it cleaned. It's also only the heavy side. I felt this as soon as I removed its 8.15-pound body from the box. However, with an average pickup score of almost 97 achieved during testing, it's a capable vacuum on both hard floors and carpet. I noticed that it's better at picking up more granular materials like pet hair and kitty litter compared to Cheerios. This is usually the other way around, so it works better for collecting smaller debris. The Roomba S9 Plus also comes with a self-emptying charging base. While it's unfortunate that you'll have to purchase replacement bags for this base, you'll only have to empty the container every 30 days. This will save you a lot of time versus emptying the onboard dustbin. If you have a bit more cash to play with, the S9 Plus can also talk with the company's Brava Jet M6 robot mop, with the two working as a team, vacuuming floors followed by a mop. Ultimately, this robot vacuum comes at a steep price, but it leaves little room for improvement.